what you're gonna need. You need a blender to make it. And I'm gonna walk you through it, and you might hear a little noise around the back because there are a few things going on outside with some work. All right, so first thing, we're going to prep. We're going to prep the ginger. Alright, there's a lot more recipes you guys can use, but I'm familiar with this one a lot, and I've seen a lot of professionals using it. So the first thing what we're going to do, you're going to need fresh ginger. Okay, that's the first thing you're going to need. You can use lime or you can use lemon. So I have a lot of lime, and I'm going to squeeze out some lime juice inside of the blender, because the lime is very good and the lime will definitely help you. So if you're a person who are struggling when you go to the toilet and want to have a go, you know what I mean, I may just use up the rest of the lime because, you know, lime is healthy. So this is the lime I'm using. Secondly, we're going to get some organic cucumber. You don't have to use organic. All right, you don't have to use the organic one. You can use whatever, you know that, but make sure you wash it. So, all right, I'm going to remove the skin from the cucumber. All right, so I'm using half of a cucumber right there. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. Now, lovely. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put the pineapple in. We got some fresh organic pineapple. That's 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons of pineapple right there. That is pretty good to go. Right there. As you guys can see, that's all of the pineapple, which I'm going to be using. Beautiful recipe, and I will encourage you to do this one at home. All right. Wow. So once you do that, you don't have to use honey, but honey is good for your stomach, especially in this kind of weather. So we're gonna put a teaspoon of honey inside of it. All right. Because of the kind of weather, you need honey for your gut, and it's really good for the gut, guys. We're not gonna be using too much water. We're gonna be using roughly about half cups of water inside of it. Lovely. Put on the lid. All right. And then once you do that, you're going to blend it. In the meantime, feel free to grab yourself a copy of my book. All right. Lovely. All right. Let's blend up this and make some noise. Excellent. That was a perfect blend. All right. Very, very perfect. And I know you guys will like that one. Let me know if you like this kind of drink, because I'm always making these kind of drink. All right. Then what we're going to do, get our cup. All right? And we're going to pour it out like this. Excellent. See, that's it right there. So you guys can do this at home and it doesn't complicate it. All right. As I said, if it's something where you guys are like, please let me know. And definitely we can always give you some more recipes and more tips what you guys can make at home. All right. Yeah, man. What more recipe we have, guys? Thousands of recipes for you can make at home.